few names shines as brightly as Ratan Tata. The man who transformed the Tata Group into a global powerhouse. With their heartful of humility and compassion. So this is Adil Sheikh and let's begin with this inspiring journey. Ratan Naval Tata was born on 28 December 1937 into the prominent Tata family. Yes, he was born on 28 December 1937 into the prominent Tata family. Even he came from one of the most wealthiest family. And his childhood was without struggle. His parents separated when he was young. And he was raised by his grandmother. And this early experience taught him the value of resilience and empathy. After completing his education in architecture and management, he joined the Tata Group in 1961. In the beginning, he worked on the shop floor of Tata Steel. Learning the business from the ground up. Unlike many privileged heirs, but he didn't take shortcut. Instead, earned respect by working alongside regular workers. Ratan Tata took over as the chairman in 1991. The group was facing many challenges. Meanwhile, many people doubted his ability to lead. But he proved them wrong. Under his leadership, Tata Motors, Tata Group, Tata Consultancy Service, and other companies expanded globally. Tata Motor, Tata Group, Tata Service Consultancy, and many other companies expanded globally. His bold acquisition of Tetley Jaguar Land Rover in the UK and Corus Steel in Europe turned the Tata Group into an international name. Yet, what makes Ratan Tata truly inspiring? Is not just his business success, but his compassion. He always believed business should serve society. A shining example is the creation of the Tata Nano. The world's cheapest car, aimed at helping middle class, afford and safe transportation. After tragedies too, Ratan Tata showed his humanity. After Mumbai terror attack, Ratan Tata personally visited the families of the victims. He personally visited and ensured their needs were met. And took care of employees who suffered. He didn't just send money, but also stood with people in their darkest time. Despite his massive success, Ratan Tata has always lived a simple life. He never married and always dedicating his work and philanthropy. Always dedicating his life to his work and philanthropy. Through the Tata Trust, he donated billions to education, healthcare, and rural development. Through the Tata Trust, he donated billions to education, healthcare, and rural development. Now, the story of Ratan Tata life teaches us that true success is not just about measuring wealth or fame. But by the lives we touch and the goodness we spread. And finally, it's time to going to end of this video. I hope this video helpful you a little bit. If this helpful, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure also subscribe my channel so you never miss one of my confident lesson. So keep enjoying. I'll meet you within my next video. Goodbye.
Please dance with me.